Hi all. So I'm putting a new weather strip on the door here, and the old one that came with the door, it doesn't seem as sturdy, but there was only like one ridge along here. Okay, so our problem is the cat tore it up along the bottom down there trying to get out. So this new one, it was about 10 bucks, and it feels a little more sturdy, but there's two strips here along the bottom. You see those two white ridges? So it goes in a little harder. You can see there's that wood line right there. This is the spot with the screwdriver. That's the spot where that ridge has to slide into. So you'd think it would be easy, right? But with these two rubber lines here, it makes it kind of hard. So that's why I thought this would be a good video. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. Okay, so I got the top part started, but I don't have it pushed in yet because I can't get enough pressure there. But this part down along here, it's like shoulder height, so I was able to get in there, and I'm using the flat part of the screwdriver, and I'm just pushing on the ridge here. Here, if you could get back here and get a picture of this. See, if you pick this up, then you can see the back of the ridge. And first you have to get it started a little bit, but then you just start pushing it with the screwdriver, and you really got to crank on it to get it to go in there. So here, step back over there. Okay, so I'll get it started here. It's definitely a little tricky to get it in that ridge, and then try to push on it from the back. There must be a trick or a tool or something to it. So this part went in real easy, but this part's fighting me here. Okay, so I'm going to mark this down here so I can get this out of the way. And on this side of the door, they've got it matching right on top of here. Oh, cat's got this bottom one tore up too. Okay, so I'll mark it right there. Okay, so I'll mark it right here. And I think I'll use a piece of the old one to put a new one in here too. That one looks different too. Yeah, it's flat. See, Yeah, I just can't get enough pressure behind it at awkward angles. That's the problem.
You probably got to go back and start where you left off up here. Get it in there. That,
It's going in, but it's tough. You know, you really got to crank on it. The old one came out real easy, and then I tried it again. It goes back in real easy because there's only one ridge. Well, wait, there's two ridges here, but they aren't as sturdy. They're real thin rubber. These are a little bit more heavy duty. So there's cheap ones too. I think these were $5. These were $10. That's what I got the bigger one because of the cat. Just slide it in the ridge. Oh man. Okay, we got it.
that part's in there really good.
And then you can pick it up and check it, make sure it's in there. Oh
Probably
man.
all that paint on there didn't help.
So this top part, this is the part that gives me a hard time because it's hard to reach up.
Yeah, you need two people to put it.
Once you get it started, it goes in, but it's just tough to get started. Oh man.
Yeah, you have to go back to where you left off and start from there again because that might be what's causing it.
We got it.
Of course, you waited until it's cold to do it.
Yeah. Well, summertime you don't need it.
Sure the door's gonna shut on it now?
Well, the door will probably finish it if there's any parts that aren't quite in. Like here's the spot.
I know we always had to pull on the door to get it to latch.
I think that's good. You gotta come out of there. Okay. Okay, so for that bottom piece, I didn't know that was tore up, so I just cut a piece off here. You can see he's really got it tore up. You know, cat wants to go out, so I cut a piece off the top. I put a piece of Gorilla Tape on it, make it a little harder for him to tear up. It's not perfect, but I'm hoping it does the job. And then this one slides in really easy. Spoke too soon?
Yeah.
I think that's the part that it's bent up a little
I
bit.
don't like the way that you put the tape on there. It's
Real crooked. It's on there. When it's 30 degrees, 0 degrees, windy and snowing, you ain't gonna care.
yeah, I know.
So this is how to repair the door strip your cat tore up. That part's still not going in. I think that's where a screw head hit it, and then I backed it up. Yeah, it's in there. Okay, now a moment of truth. Let's see if the door closes.
Good.
Oh, and then we got a piece. We put a wood strip along here too. It's just an old piece of stripping, and I cut off two feet. So that way he won't be able to tear it up again. Okay. See if the door closes. So hopefully that won't let cold air in.
It's tightened up pretty good.
Yeah.
Better than before.
Okay.
And the deadbolt works better too.
Sometimes it seems to work without pulling it. Sometimes you gotta pull on it. I think the frame might be just a little cockeyed.